hasem bat ki paralok Nongthoh Khubor haga khalai tarik jylliew arja arpoi kilai Khublei Khatduh yu ba sohliya u senior correspondent jaka Khubor the sentinel haga sngi bali on thang ye la pynlong ka duwai ka phirat na iing jong langkyrding Hadien kani la katei ha phyllaw jong shillong press club haga ba ki Nongthoh Khubor kilai burom but Khublei Khatduh yo new Nongthoh Khubor ba pawnam.
Because Samir is a man who doesn't even know just you, he knows everybody, including your family, including everyone who's a part of your life. He was so much an integral part of our life, be it at work, be it at home, be it personal, be it social. Samir was the one that would always tie up things for everybody. You left us because I guess you were meant to go to a better place, Sam. We're going to miss you. We could have waited a little longer, but I pray and I know that you would have set things right and you're going to your maker. You're going to be resting in everlasting peace. And that's all that we can pray for you. To Mem, Zabin and Zoya, to Kong, to Nas and Kiki and everyone. We are family too and we grieve. We can't help but cry. But may the good Lord give us the ability to withstand this storm, the ability to think straight and to remember that He has a purpose for each and every one of our lives. The life that we celebrate today of Samir Sohliya, let it be so. Let it be not that we mourn, but let us celebrate the life that was once full of joy and happiness and an ever-willing spirit to reach out to those that are in need. Thank you, my dear brother, my comrade, our EC member, our senior member. There's not enough words to describe you, Sam. Goodbye, bro. God be with you.
Katei ka jaka la jylliew shalom jingthang jong senkhasi ha jylliew man pendep ikabenta ka basa jong kamet deki rangba bat ki bahayeng jong la ban kado hangni bai ba Samir Sohliya ila khlad no ha ka kharar tarik jylliew aja arpoi Hadien ka jingpang kabla bat kattu kat nipor.